Ready to unlock the power of secure authentication for your applications? Let's dive right into creating your free Okta developer account. First, navigate to developer.okta.com in your web browser. You'll be greeted with the Okta developer portal. Look for the Sign Up or Create Free Account button, usually located in the top right corner or prominently displayed on the page, and click on it. This will take you to the registration form. Now, fill out the registration form with your information. Enter your first name, last name, a valid work email address. Personal email addresses sometimes aren't accepted, so use a business or professional one. If you have it, then enter your company name. If you're an individual developer, you can just enter self or an. Finally, select your country from the drop-down menu. Provide your phone number. Be sure to select your correct country code, then select your primary role. After submitting the form, Okta will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and find the email from Okta. This might take a few minutes. Inside the email, you'll find a verification link or button. Click on it to verify your email address and activate your Okta developer account. Clicking the link will redirect you to the Okta dashboard. Congratulations, your Okta developer account is now active. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features and resources. You can now create applications, configure authentication, and manage users within your Okta developer environment. You are now ready to integrate secure authentication into your projects.